Hello everyone and welcome back. It is September here, so it's time for the annual Oktoberfest celebrations, right? Well, maybe October, September, yeah, whatever, but it's in our story. So here I am with my very first homemade Oktoberfest beer, better known as Märzen, which is, I guess it means March in German, I think, if I'm correct. And it's usually brewed traditionally then in March for the fall or end of summer festival called Oktoberfest, which is upon us here today. But I didn't plan this back in March. I actually decided to make this beer just a matter of, I think maybe 3 or 4 weeks ago, back in mid to late August. It's already mid-September now, and I already have my lager. You may be asking how I did that. Well, I did a couple videos recently about pressure fermentation and doing lagers at room temperature to speed up the fermentation, and some other tricks like gelatin fining to clear the beer faster without having to lager for weeks and months, right? So I did all that again with this beer because Oktoberfest or Märzen is a lager as well. Hold on a minute. Oh, that's good. That is good. I like Oktoberfest beer, but not year-round. It is a seasonal thing for me. I like it for a while, and then I get tired of it again until next year. So I'm glad it's a seasonal beer, but I'm glad it's here. I'm glad I made some. I made a 10-gallon batch on my DIY system alone. Chad wasn't here this time. He's been kind of busy with some home projects, so I took it upon myself to brew a 10-gallon batch. Off to my left, your lower right there, I got a couple taps, each with a 5-gallon portion of that 10-gallon batch. So for those of you who've been following my videos about fermenter things, I didn't have a 10-gallon fermenter, so I split this batch up into, let's see, 2. 5 gallons went into my new Spike Plus, which I've done a couple of videos on now already, right? And the other half went into my old Fermentasaurus, which I haven't used in a while. So I thought I'd use 2 pressure vessels, ferment them both under pressure, like I did in my quick lager video, right? And it turned out well. It really did. It's clearing up more and more. It wasn't clear at first. I used the gelatin fining. It did an okay job, but not great job. It's actually been time in the keg that's been clearing this thing for the past week and a half or so, and it's getting much, much better at it. In fact, it's pretty clear now. Oh, that is good. So, nothing special about the recipe. I just, I'll put it on screen, or actually definitely put it in the video description as a PDF in Excel sheet like I always and normally do. But some highlights. You may ask how I designed the recipe. Well, since I've never done one before, I had to go online and look for some style guidelines. I got some sample recipes from others who have posted things out there. Got some advice from some of you as well. I posted a question on, I think it was social media, Facebook or something, asking about what I should do. I got great feedback from some folks. But ultimately, I have what I have in that grain bill. And my goal was to model this after Hackershore Oktoberfest, which I think is a pretty good representation of it. So I actually don't have any video of this, but I actually got my neighbor Bill to come over. He's been pining for this Hackershore Oktoberfest every year. He buys it, drinks it, and then waits till next year because it runs out. And he's always looking forward to that next beer. So I invited him over. I poured him up a couple samples, like I normally do with our tastings that I've been doing on video here, right? And I gave him some blind samples, let him go through it, and he actually thought mine was the Oktoberfest and preferred it over what he thought was my homebrew. Turns out he was wrong. He was drinking my homebrew, so I must be doing something right. Being the brewer, I can probably be consciously, of course, as well as subconsciously biased. I actually think I prefer mine better, but they did taste a lot alike. So I'm proud. My first stab at this, totally excited. Man, I don't know what else to add to this, but hold on again. Oh, I love this beer. Got 10 gallons of it, folks. I gotta kill it. Well, I don't gotta kill it. I've been sharing it with everyone I can find, but I'm definitely going to kill this because I gotta make room. I got more beer plans coming up. I got some more equipment to review and do brew videos with. So I gotta empty out my kegerator somehow, and the best way to do it is to drink the beer, right? So if you have any questions, put them in the comment section down if you like the video, give me that thumbs up. And if you are a new viewer and not yet a subscriber, consider clicking that subscribe button and click the bell next to it so you get notified of all my future videos, all right? So, sorry this is a short video, I'm kind of busy. If you have any questions, again, post them. I'll do some follow-up with you folks, and if I need to, and get back to you. But Prost, all right? Awesome beer. Happy Oktoberfest. Safe drinking. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out other videos on my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe.